Recently I went to the Samsung store. I'm too much excited to open this box. You might be thinking that what it is. Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Well, now I'm too much amazing and I'm going on opening it. Firstly, a capsule type thing in which the earbuds are enclosed. What a remarkable view. A light of red light showing the battery, you can say that what's the status of the battery related to the earbuds. Well, these buds will supply you the 22 hours of battery time with the 15 hours of talk time related to when you are calling someone or you are hearing. That means that 15 hours continuously or 15 hours simultaneously you can hear calls. On the same time, 11 hours of music streaming continuously. You can hear music for 11 hours on these earbuds. Well, there are 4 colors of Samsung Galaxy Buds have been provided with sky blue, black, white and red. The red one has some kind of black touch here and it has some kind of marvelous view, but I am also okay with the blue one, that's why I bought it. So now we have to open the box. That what's inside the box. Expectedly it might have some kind of charging sectors or some kind of buds. Oh, not only charging sector, there are some extra things too. These are related to some kind of size issues. If someone has some kind of size issues, then you can replace here with these things, or these are the tips you can replace with the new ones, or if they are some kind of, you can say that old one, then you can replace with the new ones. So now I have to show you that these earbuds are not that kind of simple earbuds. They will also provide you some kind of, if you are too much bothering to the effects of the environment, or someone there is too much noise in the environment, then they also provide ambient sound effects which cancels the environment sound and provide you only the dedicated sound of your beloved music, movie or anything you are watching on the mobile, or anything more than that. It's directly connect to the Windows 10 PCs without any kind of, you can say, seamless connection, not only with Galaxy phones but also related to other Android phones and to the Windows 10. These are some of the platforms that these Galaxy Buds can connect to. More than that, this is a Type-C kind of charging sector. You can connect this charging sector to it and it will be charged. More than that, these Galaxy Buds, as you know, that world is moving towards the wireless things, so it can also provide you the wireless charging things. And now moving on to the last things, that last but not least, the price of the Samsung Galaxy Buds is $124, and I am living in South Korea, Seoul, the capital of South Korea. I have bought them of 179,000 Korean won. If you want to know more information of this product, I have put the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video.